We're going to do a cold start video on the Tacoma, and it's going to be, I can show you some interior options as well. So it's a cold start, absolute cold start in every possible way. You can hear the engine running. Show you some functions. Got 72,789 miles. Not even broken in yet. Everything illuminates as it should. I had the antenna off the radio, but it does operate as it should. I'll show the lights working. Windows, locks work. We'll show the engine. There's the rear lights. Operate as they should. Running 2.7, baby.